Hello friends, you are watching your own YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. So today I am talking about NOIC DFY sales funnel builder and templates. The world first viral funnel builder at a one-time price. Get your free traffic and sales in just a 60 seconds. Even if you are a new buy with no skill, then this software for you. The benefit of this software: done for you funnel in one click, free viral funnel built in. No hosting, coding or design required. No monthly fees. Enjoy sales with you sleep. Tutorial included. Be your own boss. 30 days money back guarantee. So let's back our topic. See this amazing video.
Cost Starbucks $1.91 in advertising just to get you into their doors? And when they sell you a coffee for $2.09, they're only actually making just 18 cents. But when they upsell you a muffin and bowl of soup for $3.14 more, they increase profit to $2.12. Yes, that's 12 times the profit of the initial sell. That's awesome, don't you think? But what does that have to do with you? Well, if you're like most people who sell stuff online, you set up a website and started to sell your product. But just like Starbucks, even if people are buying it after advertising cost, you're probably not left with enough to even cover your hosting bills. And that's when you realize...
So stop this video. I will put this link on description section. So let's back our topic. So why you need funnel? You sell high ticket product, sell literally anything you want, easily sell affiliate product, increase sales and profits, consistent cash, passively build a giant list, then efficiently convert traffic into sales, enjoy autopilot income, attain financial freedom. Then even millionaire use funnels. Look at this. If you build funnel manually, then how much it will cost? Stunning design around $1,100. Then done for you product in $2,000. Done for you templates in $97. Tech startup $497. Funnel builder software $97 a month. Then hosting and domain $20 a month. So total amount is $4,591 plus $97 a month. If you buy NOIC DFY sales funnel builder and templates software right now, you will get only in $14.97. So big benefits of this software, everything. See here. Just look at this. World class funnel builders are usually monthly fee. ClickFunnels $97 a month. Kartra $99 a month. Just look at this. How much money? Unbound $99 in month. Lead pages $97 a month. But we don't charge you this much. NOIC DFY sales funnel builder software only charge $14 for lifetime access. If you buy this product right now, you will get bonus worth of $3,149. So first bonus is, see this. And 180 days money back guarantee. Then if you buy this product right now, what you will get? New NOIC cloud software worth $297, step-by-step video tutorials $497, quick startup guide worth $97 and 6 bonus. I will put link on description section. If you buy this product from my link, you will get bonus of 6 product worth it $3,149. You will get only this product on this, not this amount, only in $14.97. So grab it now. Just look at this video how NOIC DFY funnel builder software work.
You will be getting access to this dashboard, and on this dashboard we will be looking at how it works, like building your funnels and how it will be helpful to us convert website visitors into customers that makes us money. After accessing your NOIC DFY sales funnel dashboard, first you want to make changes in payment settings, like how would you accept your payment. For that, go to your WooCommerce and settings. Here click on the payments tab right on your top. and enable PayPal and click on manage. And here title description, it will be default. Type in your PayPal email and save changes. By this you can accept payments through the PayPal also. And after that, if you want to add any product, go to over on the products and click on add new and give it a title here, description, and it's a virtual downloadable, anything. You can upload a file, downloadable file, and give a regular price and sales price, and set a product image and click on the publish. Now we will go to the main part, that is building funnels. Go to your cart flows and click on the top here, add new, and here some of the funnels that may suit you can preview them, like clicking on that. If I choose email marketing course, I will click on preview and I will see how it looks. Okay, there is a opt-in page and checkout page and thank you page. Here on the opt-in, you will collect their email address and send me the free copy, and at the checkout it shows the information of what they have bought or what they have bought. And at the thank you page, as you know that you will be thanking, and you can also upsell an offer. So I will be selecting this one. Simply click on the import button and it starts importing the funnels for you. Later on you can customize it with a easy drag and drop Elementor WordPress plugin. I will give this as a title as marketing free guide, and I will click on update, and here this is done. You can click on new tab, opening new tab, and here at the right top you will see edit with Elementor. If you click on that, you can edit even title, color, and that also. Once you have clicked on, you will get a dashboard like this on the left side. If you want to edit this title, click on that, and here change it here, your attractive headline, and click on update, and it will get updated. So on the second step, we should assign a product that we created. So I will click here, select product. I will sample product. I have created first sample product, free. This is a free product, so okay. What this will do is it will capture their name and the email and let them go to the thank you page, and you can add an upsell here also by adding a video, like I will show in a minute. So that's it. You can set up and click on update, and if you go to the flows and marketing free guide, if you view this, will be please select a simple virtual free product. There is something. Okay, here at the first step you should give away the free product, so I will select the free product and click on update. And now if I refresh this page, you can see that they can give their email and name and email and send me a free copy, and I will give my email. And on the next page it will be like upsell page. You can upsell any offer, and here you can select the product. You can go to the follow, and here on the second step I will select the premium product that has pricing on it and click on update. And if I refresh this, you can see here subtotal and the payment type is PayPal, and proceed to PayPal. He will be paid and redirect to the thank you page, and thus you can make money. There are some more funnels here. I will click on add new. You can see there is a dog food, 2-step checkout, download ebook. This is working great, and often excuse often you can use this funnel also. And this is another ebook. You can simply just click on import. So this is the overview of what you will be getting when you purchase a copy of NOIC DFY sales funnel and builder. I'm telling that you will be getting, that's why I showed a live demo, whereas others don't show the live demo. They simply add a sales script and attract you. But the main purpose of this free demo video is that what you will be getting. And as if you purchase, we'll be updating here, we'll be adding new templates day by day, weekly twice we'll be adding new templates, and you can create your own also, but I will get you done for your funnel that converts well. Here are some of the convertible landing pages like email marketing course, and this download ebook, and this is evergreen product and inline checkout. This works great. So by this you got an idea what's the product about and is it helpful to you or not. It's got all features, like you can go to the analytics and see the analytics of what you have bought. You can see the orders. So last I have make an order like free simple digital marketing, and you can give coupons, and yeah, you can make anything. It's flexible for you. If you go to WooCommerce orders, here if you click on that, you will get their email ID, name. This is what the lead generation is. You can use these emails for follow-ups and other things also. So thank you. Make sure to buy your copy now and save.
So I put this link on description section. If you buy this product from my link, you will get $3149 bonus, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will put this link on description section. Buy it now. Thank you.